What's up guys? Welcome back to another vlog, and for this video, we're gonna be unboxing another pair. So yun nga guys, so the last one that we have unboxed was the Yeezy slides. And for this one, it's gonna be another Yeezy. But this one's a bit different guys. As you can see, wala siya slides, wala siya 350, wala siya 500 or any boost that you can see on its box. So any guess? Any guess? And of course, you have seen it already sa ating title. So we're gonna be unboxing a Yeezy foam runner.
Wow!
So yeah guys, Yeezy foam runner, it's been 2 releases na. So we got one last release and then this one, another one during the latest release. Basta tigisa guys. So nga lang, I wasn't able to make a video of the first pair that I had. So that was a Yeezy Foam Runner MXT Moon Grey. So nasold na siya, so unfortunately we weren't able to make a vlog about it. This pair is already sold na rin. So yun nga, so I'll just make a quick unboxing and then give some insights and then a bit of review or whatever we can do to help other people who are looking for this kind of pairs. Okay, so if you are new to this channel guys and if you're enjoying sneaker videos about flying or any life hacks video from Shopee, Lazada, so please feel free to subscribe to my channel and please click the bell button sa baba so you get notified whenever I post another video. Okay, so let's start. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so let's start now. So sabi ko nga kanina, wala siyang boost, wala siyang 350, wala siyang anything. And the only one that he has is this barcode. It says, oh nothing. It's just a barcode, the size. And then the code of the pair was is FY4567. Okay, so the SRP is 4,700 Philippine peso. Okay, so let's start it na guys. So yung box is a bit different talaga. Hindi siya yung normal na pinupul like the other Yeezy boxes like this one. So yeah, so it makes it unique, diba? So you'll see a foam runner inside. Okay, so 1, 2, 3.
Wow!
Ano diba? Ano yan, foam diba? So andito siya usually guys. And then yung size tag niya is andito rin sa loob. So we have this normal paper. This one, the normal Yeezy paper. Same lang. Actually guys, tatanggal yung ano niya eh. Ito yung pinaka-sticker niya ng ano, ng size na nasa pair. Natatanggal siya talaga siya usually. I mean, wala akong ginawa pero natanggal siya ng kusa. Diba? So yun nga, sabi ko sa inyo guys, so this is a unique box. So we have the foam here. Foam, yeah. And then this is the pair. Ito siya guys, diba? It looks so weird, yeah. Yeah, it's weird. Pero guys, this is hype. I mean, this is lit. Sabi ko nga sa post ko, ewan ko sa'yo Kanye, pero this pair is lit. So I had the MarkJTV logo here because nga, I was about to ship it yesterday. Pero sabi ko, I'll make a vlog first so that you guys, so that I can help you guys whenever you are looking for a video of it, diba? So you can see this Yeezy foam runner here. This is the size chart nasa loob. Ayan. Okay. Yeezy foam runner made by Adidas. So US 10, UK 10, and then 44 1/2. Okay. You don't need that. And then 4x4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So katulad ng sinabi ko sa Yeezy slides, for this pair also, it has the same US and UK. So this one is size 10 US, size 10 UK. And then for the other pairs like 350s, 500, 700. So UK is 0.5 down. So if ever you got 9 UK, that is 9.5 US. Okay? So ayan. So for this one, it is the same US and UK. So yung material niya guys is just like a pure rubber. Yeah. And the smell is so weird. Pero mas weird guys yung smell yung size 4 ko nung nakaraan. Mabaho talaga siya guys. Amoy goma naman siya actually. Pero yun guys, so ito siya. So I'll make a video of it later para like we usually do here. So yeah, so this is the front view. Okay. You have this. You have this. You have this. Alright. So yung size chart, yung size niya nandito pero natatanggal siya agad-agad. Ito. Hindi siya tumatagal eh. And then we have the tag. Of course, you should look for it whenever you're gonna be buying one. So yeah, it says Adidas Foam Runner 47 SRP the size. Okay? So ito lang naman siya usually guys. Basically it is like this. So we have sa loob Yeezy Foam Runner, the size, and then the made in USA. Okay, so make sure to check it. And then we have like a bit of small spikes here siguro para masarap suot. So I've saw reviews on the internet na this is best to wear with a socks. Ayan daw, mas okay daw may socks. And then kanya-kanyang trip. So I never had one. I mean, for personal because hindi ko siya trip. Pero maganda siya guys. I mean, pero hindi ko siya trip talaga. So, ayan. So, I just relied on my friend's opinion about the sizing on the internet about the sizing. And it says that it's like true to size. But if you are half, like example, your size is 8.5, so take one size up. So, half size up, so it's gonna be 9 US, okay? So, that's the safest thing to do. So, actually, siguro same lang siya ng slides. Kasi slides, we go up eh. We go 0.5 or 1 size up. So, ayan. So, that is the sizing for Yeezy Foam. Again, guys, hindi ko pa nasabi. So, this is the sand colorway. So, yung medyo color cream siya. Yeah, it's like white sand sa beach. Parang ganun. Hindi siya white, hindi siya brown. It's sand. It's cream. Parang off-white yung pagka-color niya. As you can see, okay? And then, so the other pair that was released was mineral blue. So we weren't able to cop one. But if ever may mag-pre-order sa atin, pwede tayong makakuha siguro. Okay? So guys, if you're interested in buying one, we're still open for pre-orders because this one, this size that is already sold. Okay? And then the last release, yung na-release is Sanden. And then the other pair was MXT Moon Grey. So nagkaroon tayo na. Yun nga lang, nabenta ko agad so hindi ko na na-share sa inyo. Pero I'll show you a picture of it. Okay, after I edit this video. Ayan guys, so the SRP of this one is 4,700. And the resale, you're gonna be crazy. Because maabot siya na like 15K.
Wow!
13 to 15K would be safe, I think. And then yun, so we got this one. Secret, so I'll not tell it to you guys. Pero yun guys, so basically yun lang siya. I can't guarantee the fit, pero it's malambot. Malambot naman siya, pero matibay. I mean, it's soft siguro kapag sinuot mo, pero the quality is matibay. Okay? Pero I think it's a bit stretchable here. Ayan. Pero dito sa bandang toe part siguro hindi na. Parang hindi na. Basically guys, so I think that it's for the Yeezy Foamer. So we have the Adidas logo here pala, so you can check it also. Okay? And then, yan. So I'll just take a video of it, closer look for you guys to see, for you guys to notice the things that, the points that you need to check whenever you're gonna be buying one. Okay? So, yeah. So that's it for today guys. I just want to say sorry kasi guys upon reviewing the video kasi I'm just shooting a video alone so hindi ko siya na-check talaga. Yung light pala is medyo mataas so hindi mo siya nakita yung pair. Pero anyways, for this outro, so at least you can see it now. And of course, sa ating video naman, medyo mas okay naman, diba? So sorry for that. Hindi ko na kayang ulitin kasi hindi ko na kaya sabihin lahat ng sinabi ko on the first record. Pero yan, so at least you can see it now. And then sa ating detailed video naman, nakita nyo ng maayos, diba? So this is it. Again, I repeat it. Okay? So yan, thank you so much guys for everyone who's sa mga nakaabot sa part na to ng video. And I really appreciate your stay here on my channel for my 454 subscribers. Thank you so much and yun lahat guys. And we hope to reach 1K and I'll have some giveaway I think whenever we reach that 1K. And Yeah, thank you so much guys. So again, I repeat some notes on this Yeezy foam runner correction. So this is the Yeezy foam runner sand, and take your to size or go 0.5 up if nasa half size ka. Okay, and that's it for today, and thank you so much everyone sa lahat ng mga nag-support sa ating videos. Thank you so much kasi sabi nga, it's not more of it's not more of review but just an unboxing, so you get guys idea whatever you're gonna expect when you're buying a pair, okay? And yeah, thank you so much, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you've enjoyed the content and you want more of it, so please do subscribe sa baba, and please click the bell button so you get notified whenever I post another video. And the comment box is always open for you guys to suggest any pair, to suggest any video, and I'll try to make it for you guys. And thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!